Hi, this is Dan Encell with Berkshire Hathaway. Today is Wednesday, January 6th. Going to do a recap of 2015, both nationwide, California, and then locally. Starting with nationwide, 2015 was a good year for real estate. Median price rose about 6% across the board, but the bigger news was number of sales. Hit the highest volume since 2006, so highest volume in 9 years there, thanks largely to solid job gains and low interest rates. So that's how 2015 ended nationwide there. California, fairly similar there. Number of sales up about 6% and median price up a little over 6%. I think the year ended up around 470,000 for median price for 2015. So good solid year there. The expectation is that the number of sales is going to continue on and raise about another 6% in California in 2016, but that median prices are going to scale back and appreciate at about 3% or rise at about 3% for 2016. Feels like it's sort of reaching a plateau there in California, which is good. Locally, how did 2015 end up? Pretty good across the board. Inventory was good. We had about an 8% increase in new listings in the Santa Barbara South Coast area there. Number of sales increased 13%. Total sold volume increased 15%. But median and average prices, again, sort of leveled off in 2015. The average sales price increased 2% to just under $1,400,000, and the median sale price increased just 1% to $890,000. So again, definitely a leveling off in terms of prices there. So we've settled into a good, predictable, stable market. What happened in December, just to finish off the year there? Fairly typical with the last couple of years. 110 new listings, fairly typical. We've seen 158 sales, again, very consistent. 103 pending sales, though. It's a little lower than we would normally see for that time of year, probably about 15-20% lower. Montecito, very, very stable. 16 new listings, consistent with the last several years. 22 sales, also very consistent. 16 pending sales, so again, very consistent with what we've seen the past several years for a December. So it looks like we're going into 2016 with a very predictable, stable market, both in terms of number of sales and pricing. So expect a slight rise in the number of sales in 2016 locally and a slight increase in prices there. But again, just a very stable, predictable market taking us into the new year.